Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're creating something delightful, jade pork rolls with oyster glaze. Let's dive in. Start by gathering the starters of the dish, minced pork and vibrant green cabbage. Give the green cabbage a good wash, trim the root, and delicately peel off those outer leaves. In a pot of water jazzed up with a dash of oil and a sprinkle of salt, let the cabbage leaves dance until they're soft and pliable. Once ready, escort them out. Cool those leaves in a refreshing water bath, ensuring they are tender yet resilient. Now, customize your minced pork filling to your heart's content. I've got a seasoned mix for that extra flavor punch. Lay out the cabbage leaves, scoop in the savory filling at the base, and roll them up. Adjust the filling quantity to your liking. Roll from the bottom, fold the sides inward, and continue the dance until you've got a neat roll. Seal the deal by tucking the end underneath. Sprinkle on goji berries for that touch of jade-like elegance. Arrange these beauties in a steaming plate and let them steam for a blissful 15 minutes. While that's happening, in another pot, let water pirouette into a boil, introduce oyster sauce, then invite water starch to the party. Turn down the heat when the starch becomes transparent. Pour this magical sauce over our cabbage rolls. And there you have it, jade pork rolls with oyster glaze. Give this recipe a whirl and I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks for being here and I'll catch you in the next one.